travelers with its modern design.
It's got a very efficient check-in process. The breakfast area, it's got a lot of grab-and-go options that are also nicely packaged. It's very easy and efficient for today's traveler.
Avid is expected to open in the summer of 2020.
Students from colleges across Arizona and a university in Japan are hard at work learning in a facility called Biosphere 2. The facility houses 7 model ecosystems where teams of scientists from different areas perform research. The students are studying about dust, atmospheric particles, and planetary habits in preparation for man's eventual trip to Mars.
The coolest parts of it have been talking to astronauts, but also doing the research in some of these biomes. All of this cooperation is incredibly important for the skills that we need in space.
Researchers say U.S. students learning alongside students from across the world is vital to the future of space exploration.
And this morning, Dayton Public Schools begins the new school year, and so does Trotwood-Madison. Later this week, nearly a dozen other districts right here in the Miami Valley will kick off a brand new school year. News Center 7, of course, your source for everything back to school. We are here for you all year long. I get it. Mine are going back on Wednesday. You can get everything you need each morning, beginning at 4:25 a.m. right here on News Center 7's Daybreak. From your bus stop forecast with Dontae to news you need to know before heading out the door. Also, for additional back-to-school information, you can always go to whio.com. We have a full guide with ways to save money, busing, and useful tools helping you and your family hopefully have a very successful school year.
There's a lot to getting back into the routine. You got to know what to wear, you start packing lunches, and you need to also know what the weather's going to be.
And let's call it like it is. It always starts too early, if you ask me. But here we are, and if you need to be prepared, let's get straight to Storm Center 7 meteorologist Dontae Jones.
You know what I always liked about going back to school when I was a kid is showing off my new school clothes. Did you do that? Did you show off your new school clothes?
I never had new school clothes. Are you kidding?
Okay. Well,
you still like to show off your clothes.
True. Okay, yeah. It's WHIO High School is what this is. Let's get outside and take a look at the forecast. Good morning to you, everybody. Glad to have you along with us this morning. We're looking at a few showers. They're moving through Indiana right about now, just to the north of Muncie, Indiana, right along 69 is where we're seeing these showers move in. And it looks like they're light to moderate showers. They're going to move in towards the Portland area, so just a heads up to you there. And then if they hold together, then they'll move into Mercer County, into Salina. So just a few light showers here this morning so far. If they hold together, they'll move in to the Mercer County area. Everybody else, though, we're high and dry, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures about 68 degrees in Dayton. Downtown Springfield looking okay so far, not seeing any traffic there. 63 in Wilmington. Dayton, again, coming in about 68. 68 Forest and Kettering, maybe 69 there. 61 in Springfield, so a little bit cooler. And then Greenville coming in right around 66 this morning, so it is warm, and it's a little on the muggy side at times. 77 by mid-morning, partly cloudy skies. 85 by 2 o'clock. 89 is where we're going to top out this afternoon, so it is going to be a summer type of day. Partly cloudy skies, and then we're going to see the humidity levels up, so it'll feel like it's in the lower 90s. We are dry across portions of the United States, abnormally dry. This is the drought monitor that really monitors how dry we are compared to conditions how they should be or how they normally are. And it looks like across the Miami Valley, we are abnormally dry. We've had 3 dry stretches so far. This week will be the 3rd one coming up Wednesday right on through the weekend. Looks like maybe there's a donut there, a hole right there in Montgomery County. So Dayton looks like you're doing okay. We're okay for the morning drive this morning weather-wise. We'll check in with Sergeant Mark in a second. And then lunchtime, we're looking okay. Evening drive looking okay. It's just when we move in overnight tonight, the newest update in our in-house model coming in is having a drier solution to overnight. Northern areas looks like it still sees some showers and embedded thunderstorms, but it's trying to say the southern areas are drier. We'll have to see if that solution holds together for the rest of the day. I'm still going to say that there are showers and thunderstorms coming in overnight tonight, and some of those could be strong to possibly severe with some damaging wind gusts, some large hail, and maybe even a little bit of flooding with some heavy downpours coming through. So 89 this afternoon, partly cloudy, warm and humid. Overnight tonight, we're going to call for scattered rain and thunderstorms. It's going to be warm and muggy too in the lower 70s. But look at that dry stretch that's coming our way. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into the weekend, we're talking lower to mid 80s, plenty of sunshine. The humidity is going to be lower as well. We go from 72 tonight to 62 by Thursday night. All right, let's check in with the man with the plan himself, Sergeant Mark Bauer, and see how the traffic is holding up on this back-to-school Monday for some. Good morning, Sarge.
And good morning to you, Dontae. We're keeping a close eye on things. You got good driving conditions, though. Our freeway traffic's certainly in good shape. Here's Interstate 75 at Northwoods Boulevard. This is in Vandalia. North and southbound lanes of 75 at this spot are in good shape. Actually, I checked the travel times from 75 southbound at Interstate 70 to Route 35. We have a road sensor indicating that 9-mile drive is taking 9 minutes. I'm Sergeant Mark Bauer, WHIO Team Traffic.
Well, as many students head back to class, be sure to download our free WHIO weather app. It comes with a full 5-day forecast, so you can start the school week off right. Remember to download, just search WHIO weather in your app store.
The time right now is 5:20. It is 70 degrees.
An SUV wrecks into the back of 2 deputy cruisers. News Center 7 has now learned what may have caused that crash.
And care flight flown to Dark County. What deputies say may have played a role in this.
Right when you wake up, prepare for the day ahead with your live Storm Center 7 forecast from meteorologist Kirsty Zontini. Weekday mornings starting at 4:25 a.m.